This is extreme meteorologist Reed Timmer from the shores of the Detroit River, looking east from Detroit toward Windsor, Canada. That's Windsor, Ontario, right across the way. This is the Detroit River with very large chunks of ice flowing down it. Snowfall rates are about a half an inch to an inch an hour here in Detroit. Most of the schools and the businesses are closed, thankfully, so people are staying off the roads, and they will remain very slippery and snow covered through the end of today. The winter storm warning will continue, and snowfall rates should begin to diminish by late afternoon into evening, but those road conditions are going to continue to be brutal through the evening rush hour and overnight tonight. Meteorologist Reed Timmer from downtown Detroit. As the winter storm continues, it's dropping a half an inch to an inch per hour snowfall rates, including here in downtown Detroit, where we expect some of the heaviest snowfall accumulations in a narrow band that stretches from Chicago through the Detroit area. 8 to 10 inches of snow likely, even heavier amounts depending on where those main bands persist.